Welcome to today's deep dive into ChatGPT 4.0 Canvas, a revolutionary tool for document editing. Whether you are a writer, student, or professional, by the end of this video, you'll understand everything about Canvas, its benefits, and how it can elevate your document creation process. Let's start by understanding what GPT 4.0 Canvas is. Unlike the traditional ChatGPT interface, the Canvas is designed specifically for writing and editing in a document-focused manner. Think of it as your dynamic workspace where you can make detailed edits, manage long-form content, and collaborate with AI in a much more structured way. Canvas is ideal for managing anything from essays to business reports, from technical documentation to creative writing. Now let's break down the features that make it powerful. First, let's get started. When you log into ChatGPT, you might not see Canvas enabled by default. Simply go to the Model dropdown and select GPT-4 with Canvas. Once enabled, your workspace changes. Now, you're ready to take advantage of this unique document-based approach. The core feature of GPT 4.0 Canvas is the ability to create and edit documents seamlessly. Let's say you want to write a business proposal. You start with a prompt, and the AI generates a structured response. But that's just the beginning. You can scroll, edit, and even add comments to specific sections. This is perfect for when you want to tweak certain paragraphs, modify headings, or add further details without breaking the flow of the document. With GPT 4.0 Canvas, you have a full suite of editing and formatting tools at your disposal. Simply highlight text, and you can change it to a heading, bold or italicize it, or even ask the AI to enhance a specific section. These tools give you complete control over how your document looks, making it easy to create professional-looking reports or papers. One of the most impressive aspects of Canvas is its ability to act like a real-time collaborator. If you need help improving a section or adding ideas, simply highlight the relevant text and ask ChatGPT for suggestions. Here's an example. You're working on a marketing strategy. By asking the AI for help, it immediately generates ideas to improve the section, saving you time and effort. Need your writing to be more concise or detailed? With GPT 4.0 Canvas, you can adjust the length of your text using an intuitive slider. Let's say you want a section to be shorter or more detailed. Just slide to the desired length, and the AI will automatically adjust the content. This feature is ideal for content writers and professionals who need to match word count requirements or fit within page limits. Another powerful feature is the reading level adjustment. Depending on your audience, you might need your writing to be simple or more technical. With Canvas, you can easily change the tone and complexity by selecting a reading level. Whether you're writing for a professional audience or a more general public, Canvas tailors the language to your needs. For more engaging or informal content, GPT 4.0 Canvas allows you to add emojis directly into the document. This feature is perfect for social media content, blog posts, or newsletters where you want to grab attention with visual elements. With just a click, your document can become more lively and interactive. Finally, before you wrap up, you can use the Final Polish option to refine your document. This feature ensures that everything is formatted, edited, and ready for publication. Whether it's a final blog post, research paper, or business proposal, Canvas has you covered. So, to recap, the key benefits of using GPT 4.0 Canvas include seamless document editing with dynamic collaboration, adjustable text length and style based on your audience, real-time AI support for improving and enhancing content, rich formatting tools to create polished, professional documents, Final Polish feature for publication-ready content. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest tools and tips. And if you want to see how Canvas can help you with coding, check out our upcoming tutorial. You won't want to miss it.